I'm going to change the battery on this Accutron watch. I believe they're called a tuning fork watch, and when they work correctly they're supposed to give a little hum. You need to get the correct tools, which I ordered for about $7 off of eBay. What you need is this one here. You have to line it up in the grooves and tighten it up so it has a little grip to it. And you're going to turn counterclockwise. I've had this off before, so it wasn't as hard as it was the first time. So just this comes off. You can see it has little tiny grooves or little screw threads right there. Now, when I first took this watch apart the first time to find out what battery it needed, this would not come off. So I believe they call this a little oyster knife. You can go right here and get that to come up. Also, the first time when I had this apart, there was a screw holding this part down here. But let's try to put this new battery in. Right here on the back of the watch, it tells you what size battery it needs. It needed a 218. So I went on eBay and typed in 218, and this is the battery it came up with. The equivalent was this Energizer 344/355 low drain 1.55 volt battery. You want to make sure you have the plus and minus side incorrectly. Plus is down, plus is the flat side of the battery, so I'm going to slide that in there. And then I'm going to try to get this little screw in here, which is extremely small. Okay, I need a little screwdriver. And I'm changing this battery so that I can see if this watch works so I can sell it on eBay. I like to sell my items on eBay working. Let's see, I don't know if I'll be able to get this in here. It is so small. I'll try the pliers, or the little tweezers here. Cameraman, you might want to come over to my shoulder and try to view right down in there. There we go. Got it sitting up straight, so I'm going to give it, I'm going clockwise. Just tighten it down enough. I don't want to over stress anything. Okay. Don't hear anything. These little watches are supposed to do a hum. Well, I'm going to put the back on and see if this thing's going or not. Well, maybe I'll flip it over first. Nothing. Let's pull the stem out. Plug it back and pull it out. Still don't have nothing. It may not work. May not be a working watch. Alright, I'm going to put the back on since I don't think it's going to work. I have to sell it as a as-is watch, non-working. Put the case back on, and then we're going to slide this back on and tighten it up. Have to get it in those little grooves. I want to tighten this with my hands first. Oh, might be turning it the wrong way. Yep. Nope. Little bugger. Maybe you do need the tool. There it goes. It's tightening down. Oh, okay. Nothing. Not working. I tried my best, changed the battery out. Don't know much about these watches. Maybe I'll try to do a little bit of research to see if there's anything else I can try to do to get it working.